We're doing dinner.
We're cooking dinner.
I told you.
We're making spaghetti and we're making something else. We already made cookies, and guys, this isn't just any normal dinner.
It's a date night.
It's date night. We're teaching you how to prepare for a formal dinner in which we will both be attending. I don't want to talk about it.
She's ready.
Paloma prepping her lies, and I will be prepping this lasagna. I've never made lasagna.
No, you need to break them! I don't know, you need to break them, not that many. You didn't even...
No, we don't need to break them. I've done this before.
We got vegetarian meatballs.
Yeah, BB.
I have never had.
the veg. I'm the veg head.
Why not?
Should always keep the handle of the pot to the inside of the stove so you don't knock it off and burn your face. Also, I need to shred cheese because I like cheese, so I'm going to take this block of cheese. Another pro tip, cheese is cheaper when you buy it in blocks than pre-shredded. But if shredding cheese is like the bane of your existence, then buy it shredded, I guess. Please don't tap me.
I don't tap you. Honestly, I've never cut up vegetables, which you couldn't tell, so we're gonna...
We're all new here. A motto on my channel is we're all just learning, so there's no failures, only experiences. Why don't you use a cutting board? How long does lasagna boil? How long does spaghetti boil for?
It depends how you want it. Do you want it al dente or do you want it softer?
I want it soft. So like 8 minutes. Let's set it for 6 right now.
Probably for longer.
Chop. Chop. Chop.
I don't think we need this whole cucumber.
Yeah, we do. I love cucumbers.
Okay.
Unless you want to just eat it like that. This is a healthier alternative to like chips. And honestly, if I always had cut vegetables in my house, I would only eat that. It's just chips are so much more available to my mouth. Alright, cheese is shredded. Beautiful.
An appetizer plate, BB! We got Granny Smith apples, cucumbers, carrots.
Here's the meatballs. Looking sad.
Oh. Say.
Don't have.
Preheat your favorite sauce and add meatballs.
Oh, we don't have some. Oh, well, we could do it in the. I'm gonna do it in the spaghetti sauce. So me and Paloma hung out this morning. We got some deals at Forever 21, but
That's fun.
I was late, and so it's like an hour late.
An hour 15 minutes, but no one was counting. I've never made meatballs either, let alone vegetarian meatballs. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm turning. I don't know if this is how you do it.
Let's prep for college together, guys.
How much did this meal cost?
Like $11.
I think so.
Cause it costs like 10 at Kroger's, plus our $1 this noodles. Okay, I'd say this was like a 20. Not even 20, maybe like a $15 meal with everything included.
I think the most expensive thing was the meatballs.
Yeah, so like, we didn't even look for cheap vegetarian meatballs. We just got the first ones we could find. And I'm assuming if you live in a little bit more accommodating state, because we live in literally Indiana.
Where they don't care about anyone.
Yeah,
different.
I'm here where we have vegetarian segregation. No, but like at Trader Joe's on the West Coast, there's vegetarian food incorporated in all the aisles. While here, we just kind of have just the vegetarian section of like 5 things.
Yep.
So,
The vegetarian section was almost depressingly small.
can I put butter in this?
Yes, please put butter in it.
Okay. I'm gonna add butter! Oh! And we got rosé.
We got rosé to sip tonight, PP.
Non-alcoholic rosé.
It's sparkling grape juice called rosé.
So once Paloma is done with the meatballs, we will be ready to start our fancy dinner. Which
Part 3 of this endeavor.
we've got a whole setup, and no fancy dinner would be complete without the entire attire. So that, I didn't mean that. That was horrible.
This honestly hasn't taken like that long considering like meal prep and stuff. What are you doing? Like considering like the meal prep time just didn't take this long. Like the cookies took way longer.
Paloma Sutter, I love you.
Ah, it's the time of beep beep. I think they're good.
Are the meatballs ready?
The meatballs are ready, beep beep.
Yes. Nice. Why?
Because the presentation is like,
Oh,
there's a messy.
they're right there.
I just needed one.
I was an accident.
Master Chef. Thanks for cooking with us.
All right, Palma's getting her dress on, but I want you to see the beautiful place settings. Look how lovely our little candles are, and our flowers, and our cheese. Ignore the literal paper plate.
Hello, welcome to our fancy dinner party.
I'm glad you enjoyed. Sister Spill.
That's Sister Spill, the Sister Sparkling drink.
A toast to our date night.
A toast to a successfully
Prepared dinner, maybe?
Maybe.
We'll find out. Also, please don't watch me when I eat. Now that I say that, people are gonna watch me when I eat, but... No.
I won't do it. I won't do it.
I'm wearing Hannah's dress.
I'm wearing Hannah's dress.
Oh, wow. Let's just point out that it says right there, non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic. How's your cheese?
It's good.
Going on dates, like, where people have to eat food, especially if like, it's a nicer setting, nicer food,
Mm-hmm.
it just makes me anxious.
Little nibble.
Oh my god!
Keep it in. Fancy dinner.
Oh gosh.
It's not my fault our relationship has open communication.